This is Espresso Chat, conversations over coffee. We discuss business, family, and other interesting conversations over a cup of coffee. Enjoy. Hi, this is Ken on Espresso Chat. As we spend time with people around us, obviously we are learning. There is a phrase that I recently came across: you're never not influencing. And that whole influencing conversation is really what am I gleaning, what am I learning from you as we interact. And I'm fortunate enough to have a very strong leadership team here at Dawiti Insurance who have taught me things as we go along. One of my team members is called Nora, and Nora is an extremely empathetic person. And one of the things that I have learned from her in this age of Zoom meetings and Google Meets is to listen actively. When we have a meeting with Nora, for example, when I'm at a remote place, she has very acute, feedback cues. Because sometimes people will turn off their videos and you can hear her nodding, you can hear, and that somehow empathetically connects with you. So that's one of the things, attentive listening. That's one of the things that she does. And I can tell you that has changed how she relates with customers. It builds a unique connection and a unique bond with the customers that she serves. That's one of the things that I have learned from Nora. And we also have a gentleman in our team. He's called Ian. Ian has a knack for working with systems. When we introduced the CRM system that we are using, it took a while for each and every one of us to kind of grapple with how does this thing work. And he is very keen on working with the system. He's the one who brings us back and cautions us about dirty data in the system. He's the one who's showing us how to, for example, run reports or create dashboards and things like those. So his skill in working with the CRM has been something that I really, really appreciate. One of the other team leaders that we have is Emma. And Emma has a knack for numbers. She's able to pull out meaning from plain numbers, and she just has a way of getting these things done. The other thing that she has is actually she's very, very goal-oriented. You give Emma a target, you give Emma something to do, somehow she will get everything else to move aside so that she gets that which she is chasing. She gets that assignment accomplished. Just that singleness of purpose and how she fights through obstacles. So one of the things that I really enjoy about her, with her angle in finance, she is very proficient in helping us to collect. So as a result, getting paid by the insurance companies is happening very, very well and very fast. And even collecting premiums from our customers is happening very well. And I think the conversation that Stella, our general manager, has always brought to us is she asks, who are you? And just getting us to acknowledge who we are, but particularly in the sight of God and in the sight of humanity. So carrying that conversation, who am I, is a very affirmative conversation that forces you to bring out the best in who you are. And I could go on and on for the various different things that the team has taught me, but I just thought to highlight those few. Once again, this is Ken Kairu on Espresso Chat. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website www.dawitinsurance.co.ke and learn more about who we are and what we do.